Hi guys, what up? Okay, today I want to show you two charts, and in both of them we have CAD currency, and the first one is CADJPY, and CADJPY. Look at it in weekly time frame. What do we have here? Okay, I don't want to go to details and all the details because we don't have that much time. But this level, consider this line I determined. It's an important level. You see, it acted as a resistance, support at this point, and resistance at this point, and resistance at this point. So it's an important level. It made the price reverse, so it's not a joke. It's fucking serious. So, and at this time we see the price. We have the price at this area, at this around this level. Yeah, we have this breakout above that, but after that price got back below this level. I also draw a wedge shape. It's not completely a wedge, because in order to have a wedge you need at least 3 pushes up, and I'm not sure if I call this a wedge, but it's a channel more. It's more like a channel in weekly time frame. In daily time frame, what do we have here? Okay, you can have a closer look to this price, to this channel, whatever. We have this bear trend here, and this strong bull trend. This one is look like a broad channel, and this one is it's more like a tight channel or even breakout. Here we have this kind of tight channel and breakout, and here at this time price didn't make it to touch the previous top. For example, here we had this price touched this previous top. That's the previous top at this point, and you see price even had a set a new record and new highest high at this point. But here we don't see something like that didn't happen, hasn't happened yet. So we have this bull trend here, and it's a curvy shape. Whenever we have a curvy shape trend, it tells you that it's not that strong enough, or you're approaching to a resistance level like this one. We don't have this curve shape here. We don't have it here that much. Yes, we have it here, and after that we see we saw this reversal, this curvy shape. I will talk about these shapes on trend later, but in a bull trend, when you have this shape like this one, is a strong trend. But if is something like this, it's not strong, and it's losing its steep and its power and strength. But this one is just boosting its power and strength is boosted, and that's why it at some point it looks like a vertical line like this, so it's a strong one. And we also have this slash shape for trends, which is kind of neutral. It's something between this one and this one. So in a bull trend, the strongest mode for trend is this, and the weakest one is this one, and the neutral is this one. Anyway, so we have this here, and if you draw a trend line, you can see this candle is a breakout here. It broke this line. If you look at it in 4-hour time frame, what do we have? Yes, you know, at some point there was a channel here. Let me erase some of these lines to make it more pleasant. At some point here we had this bull channel. Can you see it? This bull channel here, and it's something between bull channel and also a trading range. And what you do is in a white channel or trading range, you sell high and you buy low, and you but we have this bear breakout under this channel, this one. And if you hit if you consider the target as at below this starting point, yeah, it hit the target, this one. We usually, when we have a breakout below or above the channel, we put the target at this starting point. So yeah, it did hit the target, and after that we see a pullback to this broken level, and this pullback here is kind of like a wedge or some kind of triangle. Here we have this bottoms and tops. We don't have 3 pushes up. We have this one, but this, I don't know. Yes, we can consider it as a wedge or channel if you look at it. And we usually expect to see a bear breakout below a bull channel. If there is a bull channel, we expect to see bear breakout below it. But if you ask me what to do with this shit, I say, okay, at this time it's better to wait and see what happens. But if you look closer, we have the signal bar and this follow-throughs. They're not bad, and you might see another leg up, another push up, and after that it might happen. The bear breakout could happen, but it can form another leg up at this target, and after that you might see a breakout, or it can happen right here. I don't know. Let's check it out in 1 hour time frame. What about it? Okay, we have this higher tops and higher bottoms. So if even it's hard for you to consider it as a pattern or shape or whatever, just check it out and see it's obviously we have higher tops and higher lows, so it's bullish. Whatever it is, it's a channel, it's a trend, it's a wedge, doesn't matter, it's a bullish trend. And yeah, as I said, we can consider another leg up after this pullback, or it's just can break this down, this level down to this target. I say it's better if you wait. You can draw a trend line like this, a small trend line, and if the price break this up, you can enter the position and you can draw a line below this. If you look at this in lower time frame, you definitely can see the trading range, and if you look at it in 50-minute time frame, yeah, it's look like a trading range. It's also a double top. Yeah, we have a double top here. So first of all, it can reach at this level. We can trade it right now. It's a good scalp. Me myself, I prefer this patterns. I like these patterns when you see this kind of double top or double bottom is forming. I usually jump in the position and it's a good one. So we have this reversal pattern here, so we can consider it as a it increases this theory that we see a bigger breakout, because if you compare this trend with this one, there's a huge difference between this. You see this sharp, strong legs here, but this one, it's so lazy and can't make it. It seems like this. So when you look at the signs and when you check out higher lower time frames, you can conclude that okay, there are some patterns in lower time frames, so you can consider, and from the strength of these legs, and when you compare it to previous legs, you can conclude that okay, it's not definitely as strong as this one, so it's not impossible, and it's not surprisingly it's not surprising if you see a bear breakout below this shit. And if it happens, you can consider this bottom and this one as your target. We can also use the Fibonacci channel as usual. Yeah, if you use Fibonacci channel, you get this target. If you if you put it below this shit, if you consider this as the first leg and this one as a pullback, you can get the target here at this level, which is the starting point of this whole shit. And that makes sense. Let me show you this way. Show it to you this way. We also have this small target, which is starting point of this leg, this trend, This is the starting point and that's the target. If you want to do short time, and if you enter the position here, even if you put your stop loss at this level, which is crazy, I don't usually do that, but even if you do so, you can get a winning risk to reward ratio 1, but I usually prefer to put it above this top and get a better risk to reward ratio. But in a short time, you can also get this one, get the profit, 20 pips profit, the distance between this and at this level. In first scenario, you can get 77 pips profit, which is a good one. It's a good money, and you can have that. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a good video. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. I don't think I can make it to. I don't want to make this video any longer, so I want to end it here. And in next video, but we will analyze the USD CAD. Don't miss that shit. It's gonna be a real shit like this one, but that one has a higher and larger profit, so don't miss that. You can click on it and find it from the title and thumbnail. You won't miss it. Okay, take care. Goodbye.